Yeah, here's the oven here, brand new. Again, it is just an easy knob, which again, we got that there. And just like that, that is cooked. What's going on YouTube? It's the Pizza Guy John. Today I have an exciting video for you today. It's basically an official, unofficial unboxing of my Koda12. My pizza oven recently gave out on me and worked with Ooni to get a new oven. So they exchanged my old oven for a new one, which basically again is the Koda12. So today I'm basically just going to show you guys the unboxing of the oven, and then I'll do a cook of a pizza just to show you you know, basically what the oven can do. So yeah, as you can see, it is a pretty big box. On there it does have, you know, flame pizza cooked in 60 seconds, heat up to 500 Celsius, 930 degrees Fahrenheit, ready to cook pizza in 15 minutes. I like to warm my oven up for about 30 minutes tops just to get to the right temp. But yeah, let's get to it. So if we go ahead and open it here, it does come with, let's see here, a 3-year warranty. You could scan an app, and I do have a Ooni app, which you could break down your ingredients, how many pizzas you want. It tells you, you know, how much yeast and so forth, water and all that, which is awesome. And then basically you have here the essentials guide, which does come with some recipes, I believe, yep, towards the end. So there is a classic Ooni pizza dough recipe that you could use, pizza sauce, and some other recipes that I, you know, definitely may give a try. But here's the manual there. It does says welcome to Ooni community, and the signature of the CEO and founder as well. And again, it does have the app that you can scan again for Android, Google Play, and the Apple App Store. So yeah, right off the back, you do get a pizza stone, which I've checked already just to make sure, because I have seen other photos and people in the Ooni group say that sometimes the stone does come damaged. So here's the box here with the stone, and if you want, we could go ahead and take a look. It does come in some pretty good packaging here, and yeah, a brand new stone, which I love, looks really nice. You got the side with the logo, or just the plain no sign. So that's pretty cool there, so we'll leave that there. And then you also get a Ooni Koda12 manual safety instructions. So, you know, if you're into instructions, you could read that and learn about that as well. But we don't need that. And then here's the gas regulator, you know, for your propane tank as well. So let's open this up. There is something in there. So let's get that. And the funny thing about this is that this here is a match lighter. So if the propane or doesn't light, you can put a match, light up the oven. A lot of people always post this in the Ooni group, Facebook group. And you could definitely check out the comments there. Definitely some funny stuff that people come up with, but that is that. All right. And so yeah, it comes in a pretty big packaging. It is, you know, pretty good wow in there. So no damages on the way to transport. So I'll just put that to the side there. And here's the oven here. So let's go ahead and get this out. I don't want to damage anything, but it is really light, which is good for the 12-inch. And so that's the oven here. Let's go ahead and get this out. Make sure there's nothing in there. And we'll take this out here. Let's set that down. Oh man, it looks so nice, brand new. So we'll take this off. And what we'll do now is I will basically just take it outside and get it set up so that you are able to see it set up on my table. But yeah, here's the oven here, brand new. It does have the 3 legs on the bottom, which we'll go ahead and just turn over. Which again, you're gonna have your 3 legs here to get it stand up. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get it set up with the stone, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, as well as getting a pizza cooked in it so that you can go ahead and see what it looks like. It does have a knob down here to control the gas and also to turn it on as well. So we'll go ahead and get this connected and we'll take a look at it. All right, so here's the oven. Now that it is set up, it looks really nice on the table. Again, it just has the 3 legs, the 2 in the front and 1 in the back. And so again, the stone pretty much just slides in, whether you want the uni up or you just want plain, which I like it plain. So again, it just slides in just like that, and it sits in there nicely. So we'll go in and get it turned on. Again, it just connects to propane here from the oven, and we'll go ahead and get this turned on. So now that that's on, again, it is just an easy knob. You push in, you let the gas flow, and then it has a igniter. So once it lights, you'll hear it click. You give it 5 seconds, 1, 1002 up to 5, and once you release, you leave it at high. And as you can see, really can't see the flame from the camera, but there is a flame there. So let's go ahead now and actually get a photo of what this looks like. Oh yeah, so that brand new oven. But as you can see, the oven back there, the flame is roaring. And yeah, so we'll give it about 30 minutes or so to heat up. We'll get a pizza cooked in there, and then we'll show you guys anything else that's needed. So it's been about 15 minutes now. What Ooni recommends on their box, that pizza's ready. And in the center of the stone, we're looking at about 800, 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Outside, we're looking about 760, 780, about 800, 600 on this side. In front of the stone, we're looking about 800, about 880 Fahrenheit. So the oven's basically ready to go. So again, if you could rather want to do a pizza in 15 minutes, or you could wait till about 30 minutes, you know, that is up to you. But again, Ooni recommends 15. So looks like we're ready to go. All right, so we have a pizza here, and basically I'm just gonna go ahead and get this cooked. On the box it says that you could cook a pizza in 60 seconds. So let's go ahead and get this filmed, and yeah, let's see if we get this pizza cooked in 60 seconds. So the back is crisping up already, which is nice. Flame over the top, and again, I didn't turn it down, I left it on high, which is okay. And so I'm gonna go ahead now and just get this flipped over, spun around. As you can see, it's cooking there. Get that cooked there. And you can see it's pretty high. So yeah, the flame is on high right now, but that's okay. And we'll go ahead now, get this other side spun around. And the pill that I'm using is just the GI metal pill. All right. And last spin here. Which again, we got that there. And just like that, that is cooked. So let's go ahead now. The bottom is cooked, as you can see. And yeah, we'll have to look back and see if the pizza was cooked in 60 seconds. All right, so there you go. The pizza was cooked. Again, I have to run back the film to see if it was cooked in the 60 seconds that the box says, or when he states. But again, yeah, you could leave the oven on high heat if you have any semolina or any flour in the bottom. It does cook off And again, you can just get any type of brush. Again, this is a Ooni brush that you can buy through their website. But yeah, if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, like my videos, connect with me on my Instagram, which is just the Pizza Guy John, where I'll post, you know, photos and videos of my pizzas that I make. But yeah, I look forward to connecting with you, and again, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.